Functions of HRM. So, before going to discuss each and everything, so we can say that the functions of HRM has been categorized into three types. Okay, the first one is managerial functions, second one operative functions, and the third advisory functions. The functions of HRM has been categorized into three types, that is managerial functions, operative functions and advisory functions. So we'll discuss these three types after continuation of this topic. What are the functions of HRM? So this all comes under again in operative management. Okay, that is operative functions. So whenever the question has been asked, what are the functions of HRM? So you can write this. Otherwise, like in how many ways the HRM functions has been categorized at that particular time, you can write managerial, operative and advisory. It's your wish. Functions of HRM. So HRM involves managing people. Just now we have studied, okay, within organization to maximize employees' performance and ensure the organization achieves its strategic goals. So, whatever the definition that we have learned for HR, the same definition is there. Okay. So, what we are doing? So, we are managing the people. Where? Within the organization. For what? For maximize employee performance to achieve the organization goals. Clear? Next, what are the functions of HRM? So, if you see here, recruitment and selection. Next, training and development, performance management, compensation and benefits, employee relations, compliance, health and safety, HR planning. Okay, we'll discuss each and everything in detail.